Hello everybody, I am Mohib Iqbal and today I am going to show you how to use a Silverlight Physics Helper. Okay, so let's start. First we will see a preview of what we will be making and what would be the outcome. Okay, and here it is. That's a bouncing ball which bounces and then stops also. And this is a joint. Here it's a joint and this can be moved around and all the things here can be moved around because the mouse pick property is enabled. So see this. Check this out. Wow. Okay, so let's start. Now we'll create something similar to this, but because of less time, we'll create something really simple. Okay, so first we are going to go to expression blend. Okay, now let's make a new project. And we are going to name it physics. And I'm going to choose this Visual Basic, but you can also choose C Sharp. But that doesn't matter because we are not going to write a single line of code. Okay. Okay, so first let us create a rectangle, something like this, and we'll choose some color like something like this. Now here okay, so here it is. Okay, that's a rectangle. We are going to go to behaviors. In the assets tab, we are gonna go to behaviors, then physics. Now we have several things here, several objects here, which we can put to put some behavior in our application. Like I am going to use first we are going to change our to layout type to canvas, because the Silverlight Helper library only supports canvas and can only see objects inside the canvas. Okay, so let's start. We are going to drag a physics and now we are going to put a physics controller behavior in the layout, and there we have it. We are going to do nothing with it and just enable the mouse pick property which I showed you. And now we are going to drag the physics object behavior and put it in this rectangle. Okay. And we are going to select is static to true. That means that the gravity won't be affecting, or the physics engine won't be affecting this thing cause this thing can be a border or a ground or something. Okay, so we are going to copy it. So paste. And here we have the four corners of application, so the ball won't go out. Okay. Okay, we are going to make it. Okay, that's not so funny. Yeah, okay, we have 3 sides ready, and we are going to put the 4th side here, and okay, thin. Okay, we are done now, and we are having a physics object inside all of these rectangles, which has the is static property to true. And now we create a ball-like shape, but a ball actually. We are going to take an ellipse and create an ellipse. Then not looking very great. So we are going to find an image from the internet. Football. Okay, football. Here's a football. This one? No, that's great. Copy image. Go to blend again. Here's a football. I'm going to choose the image for this football. Yeah, here is the football first. And we will change the stroke thickness to 0, so the line doesn't appear like the ellipse is here. Okay, and then what are we going to do? Then we are going to put a physics object behavior here too, and here it is. And the ball is gonna have a mass, so it falls down, and then it stops actually, because it will keep bouncing, and that is going to contradict with the Newton's law of motion. 0.5 restitution constant. Restitution constant means that the ball will bounce. Just set it to something higher than 0, so the ball bounces. And then the mass of a football is, I think, 1 kg. Okay, that's it. And we are going to run my app. Okay. Yahoo! And now that's bouncing, and that's great. And it won't go out of these boundaries like it was going in the other game. And we can create really great games like this. And why don't we change the restitution constant to something like 0.75? One means that the ball will, when the ball is here, then it will bounce and then come back here. So we don't want 1, we want something less than 1, so the ball does not go to the point where it was. Okay, and now let's start. Okay, now that's good. Now that's something like what a football actually is, and now it's bouncing. Okay, and that's the end of the demo. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye bye.